Hello everyone. Do you want your WhatsApp status updates to be visible only to certain contacts? WhatsApp has a great feature that allows you to choose who can see your content. Whether you want to share your status only with close friends or hide it from certain contacts, this tutorial will show you how to easily set it up. First, open your WhatsApp app. Once you're in, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the Options menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the Privacy option and tap it. On the Privacy Settings page, you'll see several options. Under the section Who can see my personal info, select the Status option. After selecting Status, a new page will open with additional privacy settings for your status updates. You can choose My Contacts, which will allow all your WhatsApp contacts to see your status updates. If you want to exclude certain contacts, select My Contacts Except and choose the contacts you want to hide your status from. Alternatively, you can select Only Share With, which gives you the most control, allowing you to select only specific contacts with whom you want to share your status updates. Once you've made your choice, your new settings will be saved automatically. I've chosen My Contacts, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, and thank you so much for watching.